Hello students. In this video we are going to learn a chapter that is ratio and proportion. In that we are going to learn about the ratio or proportion and some of the properties of ratio, and we are going to solve practice set 4.1. So let's start. So chapter ratio and proportion, we already learned about the ratio and proportion in your previous standard. So here ratio is is in the between of two quantities. If we are consider it as A and B, then it is written as A raised to B. So इसको हम लोग रेशियो बोलते हैं. सो रेशियो के लिए हम लोग अगर कोई टू क्वांटिटीज इफ वी आर टेकिंग, then we are writing this as A raised to B. So here A is antecedent and B is consequent. So A को हम लोग antecedent और predecessor बोल सकते हैं and B is consequent or successor. So here ratio proportion, there is two type. One is direct proportion or direct ratio. Another one is inverse proportion or inverse ratio. So what is direct proportion? So how we denote it? So direct proportion means if two antecedent and consequent both are directly proportion, means if we are taking A and B, so here A is proportion हम लोग ये वाला सिंबल में यूज़ करते हैं. सो A is directly proportional to B. So we have to find the ratio. So how to find the ratio? So यहाँ पे K हम लोगों को मिलेगा. So when we make it as equal, so A equal to by B इक्वल टू के हम लोगों को प्रोपोर्शन फाइंड आउट करना है. सो डायरेक्टली रहेगा तो A बाई बी रहेगा. सिमिलरली इन्वर्सली रहेगा तो A इज इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू B. सो डिवाइड में है सो मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. सो A इंटू बी इज इक्वल टू के. हम लोगों को के वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है. अगर डायरेक्टली रहेगा तो हम लोग उसको लिख सकते हैं A बाई बी, and if it is inversely proportional then we can write it as A into B. So there are some of the properties of ratio. Those are, so some of the properties are the ratio A raised to B is indicated as A by B. हमेशा ratio को हम लोग लिखते हैं A by B. And the second term B, so यहाँ पे first term is A and second term is B. So second term B is always a non-zero real number. So always it is non-zero real number, means वहाँ पे अगर zero हुआ, so A by zero it gives 0. So sorry, infinity. So we cannot put any zero there. So there is no unit for ratio. रेशियो के लिए यूनिट नहीं रहता है. हम लोग रेशियो फाइंड आउट करने के बाद उसको सिर्फ नंबर में लिखते हैं. If the second term is 100, then it is known as percentage. For any number, if A is any other number and B is always it is 100, then उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं percentage. For example, 5 by 100 means 5%. So here it is denoted as percentage. And always the term first and second term both are in the same unit. अगर पहला वाला टर्म केजी में है तो सेकेंड टर्म भी हम लोगों को कन्वर्ट करना है केजी में. अगर पहला वाला ग्राम है तो सेकेंड वाला भी हम लोगों को क्या करना है, ग्राम में. सो दोनों का मेजरमेंट जो है वो सेम होना चाहिए. इफ इट इज़ केजी देन बोथ आर केजीज. इफ इट इज़ इन सेंटीमीटर देन बोथ आर सेंटीमीटर. सो दोनों A and B, first term and second term, it's always in the same unit or measurement. So this is about the ratio and proportion. I hope everyone clearly understood about what is ratio, proportion, and the two type, direct and inverse proportion. So how we wrote direct and inverse proportion and some of the property of these ratio and proportion. Based on this, we are going to solve practice set 4.1. So let's start. So practice set 4.1. So first question, from the following pairs of numbers, find the reduced form of ratio of first number to second number. Here two numbers are given, first number and second number. We have to reduce into the simplest form. So पहला वाला है 72 and 60. So 72, 60. To how to solve this? So solution for this, first write down in the ratio form. So 72, 60. So here 72 is first term and 60 is second term. So we can write it as 72 by 60. सो हियर इसको रिड्यूस करने के लिए हम लोग कोई एक ही नंबर से दोनों को डिवाइड करना चाहिए, या तो वो 2 हो, 4 हो, 6 हो, वॉटेवर। सो उसको 2 नंबर्स, कोई भी एक नंबर से दोनों को डिवाइड करना है। सो हियर आई एम डिवाइडिंग दिस 72 एंड 60 बाय 12। सो 12 से डिवाइड करनी है दोनों को। सो न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बोथ आर डिवाइडेड बाय 12। सो 12 कितने में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 72 आएगा, और 72 डिवाइड बाय 12। सो 12 6 ज़ा 72, सो इट गिव्स 6, एंड 12 5 ज़ा 60, so 5. So therefore the answer is 72 by 60 equal to 6 by 5. Second question, 38 comma 57. So here same as first question. So write down in the form of ratio. So 38 raised to 57, or we can write it as 38 and 57, 38 by 57। 38 एंड 57 दोनों नंबर हम लोग डिवाइड कर सकते हैं बाय द नंबर 19। सो दोनों 19 का टेबल में जाता है। सो वी कैन राइट इट एज 38 बाय 19 एंड 57 बाय 19। सो 19 टू ज़ा, सो 38, 19 थ्री ज़ा 57। सो द आंसर इज 2 by 3. So we can write 38 raised to 57 equal to 2 raised to 3. So this is the answer for the question number 2. So next move on to the question number 3, that is 52 and 78. So third one. So here 52 and 78, it's divided by the number 26. दोनों 26 में जाता है. So here we can write it as 52 by 78. Now both the number is divided by 26. हमेशा बिगेस्ट नंबर से डिवाइड करना है। सो एक्चुअली ये 2 में भी जाता है, या कुछ और नंबर में भी जा सकता है। सो बट वी हैव टू टेक द हाइस्ट नंबर। सो 26 इज़ द हाइस्ट नंबर, सो वी कैन टेक इट एज दिस वन। सो हियर द आंसर इज 26 2s are 52 and 26 3s are 78. So answer is 52 raised to 78 equal to 2 raised to 3. So here 52 78, its now answer is 2 raised to 3. So these are the simplest form. So how to convert this bigger number into simplest form. So it's all our first question. Next move on to the second one. Question number 2. Find the reduced form of the ratio of the first quantity to the second quantity. So यहाँ पे reduced form में करना है, same as first question. So simplest form में करना है. So first term को second term में. यहाँ पे दोनों का unit same है. So we can see this. So first one, rupees 700 and rupees 308. यहाँ पे फर्स्ट टर्म इज, फर्स्ट क्वांटिटी इज 700 रुपीज़ एंड सेकेंड क्वांटिटी इज 308 रुपीज़. सो वी कैन राइट इट एज, so 700 raised to rupees 308, we can write it as 700 by 308. so इसको हम लोग डिवाइड कर सकते हैं बाय 4. So here it is 175 by 77. इसको फर्दर सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं हम लोग. सो हम लोग इसको फिर से 7 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. सो हियर डिवाइडेड बोथ द नंबर्स बाय 7. 175 बाय 7 and 77 by 7. So answer is 25. So here it is 11। सो इसको फिर से हम लोग सिंप्लीफाई नहीं कर सकते, 25 एंड 11 दोनों कोई नंबर से नहीं जाता है। सो वी कैन राइट इट एज, सो हियर रुपीज़ 700 raised to rupees 308 equal to 25 raised to 11, or you can write the reduced form is 25 raised to 11। सो इसका जो reduced form है वो 25/11 और 25 raised to 11। So second one, here rupees 14 and rupees 12.40 पैसे और 12 रुपीज़ 40 पैसे। सो इसको हम लोगों को कन्वर्ट करना है एज पैसे। सो यहाँ पे जो 14 रुपीज़ है उसको भी पैसे में कन्वर्ट करना है, इसको भी पैसे में कन्वर्ट करना है। सो हाउ टू कन्वर्ट दिस? So here 1 rupee it contains 100 paisa. So multiply this new first quantity and second quantity into 100. So यहाँ पे rupees 14 we can write, or we can convert into 14 into 100 because 1 paise means 100. So it gives 1400 paise. Similarly, rupees 12 rupees 40 paise. Here already 40 is in paise, so सिर्फ हम लोग को 12 को कन्वर्ट करना है। So 12 into 100 plus 40. So here it becomes 1240 paise. So दोनों का यूनिट सेम हो गया। So अगर अलग अलग यूनिट्स है, so we have to convert into same unit. So therefore we can say 1400 paise and 1240 paise. So now convert this or reduce this into simplest form. So 1400 by 1240, यहाँ पे 0 0 कैंसिल करो and it becomes 140 by 124. We can divide both the numbers by 4. So 140 by 4 divided by 124 by 4. So here 140 by 4 equal to 35. And here it is 31. So therefore reduced form is 35 raised to 31. So 14 रुपीज़ एंड 12 रुपीज़ 45 पैसे का reduced form है 35/31 और 35 raised to 31. Next move on to the third one. Question number 3, 5 liter and 2500 milliliter. So यहाँ पे 5 लीटर को भी हम लोगों को कन्वर्ट करना है एज मिलीलीटर। तो दोनों को मिलीलीटर में कन्वर्ट करके हम लोगों को सॉल्व करना है। सो हियर so 5 liter 2500 milliliter. So 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So therefore we can say 5 liter equal to 5000 मिलीलीटर। अभी ये ऑलरेडी मिलीलीटर में है एंड इसको भी हम लोगों ने मिलीलीटर में कन्वर्ट किया। देयरफॉर वी कैन से सो 5000 milliliter raised to 2500 milliliter. So here we can write 5000 by 2500, ये दो zeros cancel करो। So here it becomes 50 by 25. So you can divide this both the number by 25. So 25 2s are 50 and 25 ones are 25. So therefore we can write the reduced form is 2 raised to 1. So it completes our question number 3. Next move on to the question number 4, that is 3 years 4 months, 5 years 8 months. So इसको 3 year 4 month and 5 year 8 month को हम लोग को मंथ में कन्वर्ट करना है. So here 1 year equal to 12 months. Therefore 3 years 4 month equal to 3 into 12 plus 4 equal to 3 12s are 36. 36 plus 4 equal to 40 months. Similarly 5 years 8 months equal to multiply 5 into 12 plus 8 equal to 5 12s are 60. 60 plus 8, it becomes 68 month. So we can write, so 40 months raised to 68 months. So we can write it as 40 by 68. Both the numbers are divided by 4. So 4 से हम लोग divide कर सकते हैं. So here 40 by 4 and 68 by 4. So 40 by 4 is 10 and 68 by 4 is 17. So therefore we can write reduced form is 10 raised to 17. So 3 year 4 month and 5 year 8 months, the reduced form is 10 by 17. So it completes our question number 4. Next move on to the question number 5. Question number 5, 3.8 kg and 1900 gram. So यहाँ पे kg and gram में we have to convert this kg into gram. So here 1 kg equal to 100,000 gram. So convert this into or multiply this with the 1000. So here 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. Therefore 3.8 kg equal to 3800 gram. Therefore we can write this question as 3800 gram to the ratio 1900 gram. So we can write it as 3800 by 1900. So cancel these two zeros. Now 38 by 19. Both are divided with 19. So 19 twos are 38 and 19 ones are 19. So therefore we can write the reduced form is 2 raised to 1. Next question, 7 minutes 20 seconds, 5 minutes 6 seconds. So here this minutes we have to convert into seconds. After that we are going to solve and we have to find the reduced form. So here solution. So we already know that 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So here convert this 7 minute 20 second as, convert this minute into second and add this 20. So here 7 into 60 plus 20 equal to 440 seconds. Similarly, 5 minutes 6 seconds equal to 5 into 60 plus 6 equal to 306 seconds. So 560, 300, 300 plus 6, it becomes 306 second. Now write this as 440 second to 306 second. So we can write 440 by 306. So both are divided with the 2. So 440 by 2 and 306 by 2. So it gives 440 is 220 by 153. So इसको further simplify हम लोग नहीं कर सकते. So therefore we can write the reduced form is 220 raised to 153. So this is the answer. So here reduced form is 220 raised to 153. So next we are going to solve the question number 3. So question number 3, express the following percentages as ratios in the reduced form. So यहाँ पे percentage ratios है, उसको हम लोग reduced form में करना है. So how we know that it is in the percentage form or percentage ratios, because the second term it is 100. So second term अगर 100 में है तो we can directly say it as percentage. So ये percentage को हम लोगों को क्या करना है, reduced form में. So question number 1, 75 raised to 100. So how to solve this? Same as question number 1 and 2. जैसे हम लोगों ने अभी तक solve किया वैसे ही. So 75 raised to 100, we can write it as 75 by 100. So both 75 and 100, we can divide this 75 and 100 by 25. दोनों को 25 से divide कर सकते हैं. So it is 3 by 4. So therefore reduced form is 3 by 4 or 3 raised to 4. So it completes our question number 1. Next move on to the question number 4, that is 44 raised to 100. Here 44 and 100 दोनों हम लोग 4 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. So 44 raised to 100, we can write it as 44 by 100. So here both the numbers we can divide with the 4 or by 4. So here it becomes 11 by 25. So therefore reduced form is 11 raised to 25. So it completes our question number 2. Next move on to the question number 3, that is 6.25%. It's already in percentage form, so उसको हम लोग को convert करना है as a ratio A and B. So बाद में उसको solve करना है. So पहले हम लोगों को लिखना है, so this 6.25% we can write it as 6.25 by 100. So इन दोनों 6.25 को हम लोग 100 बाय 100 कर सकते हैं। यहाँ पे 0.25 है, तो यहाँ पे 0.25 को हम लोग को हटाने के लिए मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर विद 100। सो हियर 6.25 into 100 by 100 into 100. So it becomes, so 625 by 10,000. So here this 625 and 10,000 both are divided by 25. हम लोग 25 से दोनों को डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. So it becomes 25, 625 by 25 it becomes 25, and 10,000 by this 25 it becomes 400. Again we can divide these two numbers by 25. So here it becomes 25 by 25, and the denominator is 400 by 25. So it becomes 1 by 16. So here reduced form, इसका हम लोग का reduced form है 1 by 16. So we can write, so here reduced form is 1 raised to 16. So it completes our question number 3. Next move on to the question number 4. So here 52 raised to 100. So we can write this 52 raised to 100 as 52 by 100. So we can divide this 52 and 100 by 4. दोनों को हम लोग 4 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. So here it gives 13 by 25. We cannot divide this 13 and 25 or simplify this at 25. So 13 by 25 को simplify नहीं कर सकते. So keep it as it is. So therefore reduced form is 1 raised to 60. Next, last one, 0.64 percentage. We can write it as 0.64 by 100. Now, to take this point outside, so हम लोगों को multiply numerator and denominator with 100. So here it becomes 0.64 into 100 by 100 into 100. So here it becomes 64 by 10,000. So divide this 64 and 10,000 by 16. So here it becomes 4 and here it becomes 625. Further simplification हम लोग नहीं कर सकते. Therefore we can write the reduced form is 4 raised to 625. So it complete question number 5 from the main question number 3. So the remaining question is 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, which we are going to solve in our next video. I hope everyone clearly understood what is ratio and proportion and how to simplify into reduced form. So the remaining question we are going to solve in our next video.